Hello, my name is Janusz Bialek. I work for Durham University, and from 1st July next year I will be a Director of Energy Systems Center at Skoltech. The aim of this message is to pass my regards to the participants of Smart Grids and Metering Forum in Moscow. My apologies, I'm not be able to attend the forum, but I'd like to leave a short message for the participants. My message is about the importance of the forum and importance of changes which are now taking place in the smart grids in the world and in Russia. If you look at the power system traditionally in the 20th century, it was characterized by centralized control of the relatively few power stations, and it was predictive, passive, deterministic, based on N-1 design and operation, and basically it was quite easy. What we are changing at the moment, we are changing the change of this traditional centralized control to a decentralized control. What are the drivers for that, first of all? Well, the drivers are in the Western world is climate change and renewable generation, when we are replacing a relatively small number of large power stations by a very large number of smaller, uncontrollable and stochastic power sources. In terms of distribution, the distribution level, consumers are no longer passive with easily predictable load, but they are becoming active. There's a lot of demand participation, photovoltaics, wind, electric vehicles, which means that the behavior of the customer cannot be predicted anymore so easily, and it will require stochastic tools. So what you are seeing at the moment is the change of a paradigm from the 20th century, when there was a centralized control by system operator of a limited number of controllable power stations to meet a deterministic demand, to the 21st century of a distributed control of a very large number of uncontrollable and stochastic power sources to meet a stochastic demand. How to accommodate those changes? And this is why the smart grids are so important, because what we need in order to accommodate all those changes are new control tools and methodologies which are provided by what is generally referred to as the smart grids. It's important to appreciate that the power systems have been smart, but only at the top. It means at the bulk generation and transmission level. What we see and the distribution level was rather passive. It was quite often described as install and forget, with large security margins. Smart grids means distributed intelligence, closer to the customer, better utilization of assets. And what we need for that, we need to engage in understanding the customers. So generally speaking, a whole system, interdisciplinary approach is needed, combining efforts of engineers who understand the physical power system, economists who understand about markets and regulations, mathematicians and computer scientists, because we need to address the issue of distributed stochastic control, and social science in order to understand the customers. And of course all of it is connected to politics, because we need approval of people, approval of the electorate. In this context, it's very important that the issue of smart metering is answered not only from the engineering point of view. It means not only how to derive the appropriate tools, but also from the social science point of view. It means how to use those smart meters in such a way that the whole potential of smart meters is fully utilized, and smart meters will bring the benefits they're supposed to bring. Thank you very much for your attention, and that is a short message from Professor Janusz Bialek of Durham University. Thank you.